My name is Olivia Cole. I am from Cody, Wyoming. Starting in the University of Wyoming, I was the first in my family to begin a 4-year plan to achieve my bachelor's degree. When I arrived on campus my freshman year, there were some skills that I was missing that I didn't even realize that I needed. So when I first got here, I was enrolled in this program called Bridge. It is a program that the University of Wyoming offers for first-year students to help them transition from their high school experience to their college experience. All first-year students take a first-year seminar class, and so with Bridge's first-year seminars, on top of just learning about the content in the class, we got to learn all these really cool things that you should know as a successful college student. Emailing professors correctly, or learning how to do an annotated bibliography, or going to professors' office hours, which are things that you don't do in high school at all and don't even know you're supposed to. I gained way more than I thought I would through that class and those conversations. Professors want students to succeed. They want you to graduate. You know, it's not anything like what you've been told about how they want to watch you fail. They want to see you grow because that shows that they're doing well and you're doing well and this university is doing well as a whole. I love college more than I ever thought I would.